What the hell is going on? Is it global warming?
The fact that the planet is heating up.
Global sustainability, a large part of which is securing an outcome on one critical planetary boundary, and that is climate change.
This, in my opinion, is climate change.
Consumption of power is going to be so high.
We consume more energy than any other nation on Earth.
People talk about climate change all of the time, and there are thousands of books about climate change. It seems like a huge issue that you can't solve, but that is not true. Penn State uses 400 million kilowatt hours annually, enough to power 23,000 houses. University Park uses 80% of that alone, so you can make a huge difference. 355 of the 400 million kilowatt hours is purchased through West Penn Power, which costs $24 million each year. Now, let's save some money. Penn State wants to create a more sustainable campus, and Steve Marzowitsky, Deputy Associate Vice President for the Physical Plant here at Penn State, will tell us why Penn State cares about sustainability.
We want our practices to mirror our values, and our values are that we want to create a more sustainable institution and ultimately significantly reduce our carbon emissions, et cetera, and all the things that go along with being responsible citizens.
A solution Penn State can actually implement is installing light sensors in the Pollock and East dorm bathrooms. They have sensors in some dorms, but not all dorms. The sensors would turn the lights on every time someone entered the bathroom and turn the lights off when no one was in the bathroom. The bathrooms experience the least amount of traffic during classes and at night, which totals to be about 10 hours each day. So sensors would turn off the lights for about 10 hours each day. Since every bathroom normally has 2 doors, we'll put 2 sensors in each bathroom. The sensors are small and extremely accurate. They can sense 1,000 square feet at one time. Each sensor has a 5-year warranty. Now, this is awesome because it means that the sensors are reliable, and Penn State will not need to spend more money fixing them during the first 5 years. The sensors will cost $28,900, but we will plan to raise the money with a Penn State football tailgate and other fundraisers. The sensor will save $74,300 over 5 years. This is a small amount of money for Penn State, but is the right step forward.
And the step that Penn State wants to take.
90% of our emissions are related to our energy consumption, so it's pretty easy. If we want to reduce our emissions, we've got to reduce our energy consumption. How do we do that? We make our buildings more efficient.
This is also great because it will show that Penn State is continuing to promote sustainability, which President Obama has already recognized.
Making our buildings more energy efficient is one of the fastest, easiest, and cheapest ways to save money, combat pollution, and create jobs right here in the United States of America. And that's what we're going to do.
Penn State does, we do great things here. And he took the time out to come to Penn State. He chose Penn State because of all the great research that we do, all the great students we have, the spirit we have here at Penn State.
If the sensors project is a success, then they can be installed all over campus. The sensors project is something that the administration can do, but you can have the biggest impact on Penn State's energy consumption problem. As a group, we explored many solutions to spread awareness. A few of these solutions were flyers, posters, announcements at large events such as football games, and internet advertising. But after reviewing our solutions, internet advertising came out to be the best choice. Every student uses Angel, Penn State Webmail, eLine, and eLiving multiple times a day. There's a lot of empty space on these websites that could be used to raise awareness about Penn State's energy consumption problem. Here are some examples of what Angel, Penn State Webmail, and eLine might look like. We would see these funny phrases every day that will remind us how important it is to conserve energy, which ultimately saves money. If you leave a room, turn the lights off. If you're not using your laptop, unplug it. These small steps can make a huge difference in the way Penn State consumes energy. Now, it is your chance to make a change.